South Mississippi, it's looking a little bit clearer out there on our Mississippi Power live on 25 from the Port of Gulfport. So looking at the tropics now, we see what is left of Tropical Storm Fred. It's even weakened since yesterday. It should move through, and behind it we see that high pressure system, and it will bring all of that cooler and drier weather into our area. Seeing around here lately, the moisture will return. There is a chance of some rain this week, and again, the tropics have been heating up. Not too bad of a day to be out on the water. We might see some clouds and a little bit of rain this afternoon, but a 40% chance of rain. So if you're going to be heading out and doing any activities, definitely bring those rain jackets. Good morning, South Mississippi. Beautiful look out our window this morning from our Mississippi Power live on 25 from the Port of Gulfport. We're seeing clear skies, a few clouds in the sky, but the sun is out and shining, so get out there and enjoy it if you can. Temperatures today are all right now in the 70s. We're seeing a high of 78 in Gulfport, 77 in Bay St. Louis, and 75 in Slidell. So we're warming up even more today than we saw yesterday. So temperatures are nice and warm. For your bus stop forecast today as you're heading off to school, 78 degrees with a north wind at about 2 to 6 miles an hour. So very light wind, a little bit warmer than we've been seeing, but still not too bad of a morning to head off to school. Your headlines for today: we are seeing these temperatures heating up and warming up as we move throughout the week. The rain chance will increase as well. We have a 30% chance of rain today, and we'll talk about that too in just a few minutes. And along with all of that, as we've mentioned, the tropics are heating up, so we want you to stay informed and be prepared. So we'll keep you updated on all of that and talk about the hurricanes in just a few minutes. Your high temperature for today is 91 degrees. By 9 o'clock, we'll see a temperature of about 78. Then by noon, we'll reach 87. And then by 3 o'clock, we'll hit that high of 91 degrees. Our winds are staying very nice and variable, about northeast wind from about 5 to 10 miles an hour for most of the day. Tonight we'll hit a low of 75 degrees, so it'll be cool and clear. By 8 o'clock we'll see a temperature of 79, and then by midnight about 76, and then by 4 o'clock in the morning we'll hit that low of 75 degrees. Your marine forecast for today: a 30% chance of rain. The seas are about 0 to 1 feet, and a southeast wind at 10 to 15 knots. So not as nice of a day as we've been seeing. There is a chance of rain, but still not too bad of a day to get out there and go boating if you'd like to do that. The rain chance tomorrow is still at 30%, and the seas are about 0 to 1 feet, and the winds are southeast becoming east at about 5 to 10 knots. And so looking at the tropics now, we see what is left of Tropical Storm Fred. It's even weakened since yesterday. The winds are currently 45 miles an hour, and it's moving west-northwest at 10 miles an hour, and it's expected to continue to weaken as it moves through this weekend and into next week. It does not look like it'll be affecting the U.S. anytime soon, but if we get any details or any updates on that, we will be sure to keep you informed and let you know what's going on. Our satellite and radar doesn't show too much right now in Gulfport. We do see some clouds in the area and some rain off to our west that could creep and make its way in to our area later today. Right now, though, we're just seeing cloudy skies, nothing too much to talk about there. And your 7-day forecast, we're seeing temperatures in the low 90s, excuse me, and we're seeing the rain being about 30% chance of rain. And then moving into this weekend, we see a 30% chance of rain on Saturday, and then a 40% chance of rain on Sunday. So it does look like a rainy weekend.